SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn on autocorrect on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you find that you're often making a lot of mistakes on your iPhone while you're typing, and it's both frustrating and a waste of time, then you have an option to enable a setting that can help you fix some of these problems. You can enable autocorrect on your iPhone by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the General option. You can scroll down again and choose Keyboard from this menu, and then you just need to find the auto correction setting in the All Keyboard section. Now you're going to tap the button to the right of that to turn it on. Note that there's a bunch of other settings here that you may also want to enable, such as Auto Capitalization and Check Spelling, which can help you to improve your typing on your phone and reduce the number of mistakes and ultimately the amount of time that you waste while you're typing.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.